Hello and welcome. My name is Sonu Nayyar and I'm here with a PowerPoint presentation on the topic dialogue writing. Now, dialogue writing or dialogue completion. Since it's for the first time that this aspect has been introduced in class 10 syllabus, so we cover both. Dialogue is a literary composition and some aspects need to be kept in mind which we are going to discuss. Writing a dialogue means that we enable the students to elaborate upon the given inputs in a grammatically correct and meaningful conversation. Since it is a dialogue, the content has to be short and to the point. The sentences that you draft have to be relevant to the subject, and when I say relevant, we should read what is given above the blank and what is given after the blank. The points to be kept in mind are we need to be coherent and conversational. Keep in mind the punctuation, tenses, subject verb agreement, I have and not I has. What sentence type we have to use? If it is a statement, then declarative. If we have to ask a question, then interrogative. It has to be a question. Again, yes, no question or a WH question. Is it a command that we have to give? It could be an imperative form. And again, contractions. Now let me elaborate on these three aspects. For example, the statement says, how are you? And then there is a blank. Then you should give a declarative statement that I am doing well. And continue saying, how are you doing? When you write a question, it becomes an interrogative statement. Imperatives could be giving a command. Go and get me a glass of water. Contractions. While speaking, we usually say I'll, I apostrophe double L, and I don't say I shall. So you can use these contractions. I have a solved example before you children. It's a conversation between a doctor and a patient. So you have the input. It's a conversation between a doctor and a patient. The patient has a problem getting sleepless nights. So the conversation begins. Hello doctor, hello, what's your problem? I have a problem of not having proper sleep at night. I'll give you medicine, thank. And then 3-4 blanks are given. So if such kind of a question appears, then you could say, thank you doctor. How often should I take the medicine? And the doctor says, just take one pill about 30 minutes before you go to bed. Then you want to know, for how long? The doctor says for at least 30 days. Come back if problem continues, if problem persists. The patient says, anything else? The doctor says, be composed at work, look after yourself, or whatever you feel is appropriate. So this is the way, in short, you complete a dialogue. I have with me an assignment for you. Now this is a typical case of dialogue completion, wherein 6 blanks are there and in between conversation is already provided. So what you have to do is, by reading what is already given, you have to create the content. And the second assignment, children, is wherein a situation is being given to you. Meera wants to go to the movies with her friends. She asks her mother for permission. Construct a dialogue between both of them in 100 words. So it has to be Meera mom, Meera mom, Meera mom. And in 7 or 8 sentences, approximately 100 words, you have to construct a dialogue. So these are the 2 questions, children. Do them in your notebook. Be productive. Take care of yourself. Take good care of yourselves rather. Sleep well, eat well, study well, and shine on. Till then, bye-bye. God bless.